Hello and welcome to Digital Step. In this tutorial, I'm going to learn how to get our first job on Upwork, or how to get our first client on Upwork. My previous video on how to sign up, and this is the continuation of that. So if you are accepted by Upwork, you'll be sent an email, and if you come to your dashboard here, you see that it has changed from the previous one. So I had my email that's 24 hours ago. Yes, I'm accepted. So you have the right, you have the chance to also make something out of this opportunity. So I'm going to show you how to get your first clients on Upwork. So you see, most recent for you, I've got some recent jobs posted not long ago, 11 hours, and the budget is $100. Wow. So this is also another job posted 11 hours ago, $10. Video editing. So if you are good in video editing, this is probably for you. Looking for technical writer for automotive domain and the completion of WordPress sites. Quite simple. I can even do that. Alright, so we've got many jobs. If you can just do it, you can just send a proposal, and I'm going to show you some tips in which the client is going to pick you up. Very simple. You'll be accepted for the job. Very simple. Alright, so let's get started. Our first tip is to personalize. Yes, personalize. So what do I mean by personalizing? Let's say I've seen this job, DB WordPress, and I want to apply for this job here. So I just click on it and can send my proposal. Or you can also do as much as possible to reach out to the person who posted this kind of job. So you reach out to the person and you have to personalize yourself. Now let's say hi. Maybe hi, I'm David, and I saw your proposal on I saw your job on Upwork, and I decided to reach out to you. I think I'm qualified because I can do this, I can do that. You see the kind of thing here. So you have to personalize, and this will help you be outstanding among others who have sent their proposal to the person who posted it. Yes. So it will make you outstanding. Now let's see the second tip, which is to loom a video. What do I mean by loom a video? So let's say I'm good in accounting. Let's say spreadsheets. Yes, I can do a very short video about my spreadsheet work or anything I've done on spreadsheets. Yes, we'll just do a short video. Let's say I do video edit. I can just do a screen recording about my YouTube channels, then stops. Yes, things I can do. Yes, then I can just send it to the person. So the client is going to see that, yeah, this guy is very good in this and he really needs a job. So it will be very simple for the client to just pick you up. And remember, you'll be outstanding among the others who also made a proposal to work for. Alright, so let's check the third tip, which is you have to hit at least 10 per day. What do I mean by this? You have to hit at least 10 per day. Alright, so what I'm trying to mean is that you have lots of jobs posted, load more jobs. You have lots of jobs. Alright, so you don't just you just go through, then see the one you think you can do. So you make a first proposal to your first client that you want to be picked for this job. Don't just stick to that one. Still go through. Maybe you see another job you think you can do it. Then you make a second proposal. Still go through. Make third, make fourth, make fifth. Yes. So at least 10 plus or 10 proposals a day. Probably one is going to pick you. Probably two, three, four. And trust me, you're going to be paid from all sides. If luckily you have three proposals accepted, you are getting paid from three people. Just imagine this. So the fourth tip is model successful freelancers. So for that one, you can just log out if you want. Then you search the search bar and search for services, or let's say IT services, anything pertaining IT, any IT category services, and also search for successful freelancers. Yes. So you're going to see, or you can search for, let's say, the highest earning or the highest job successful. So if you get those freelancers, click on them. You can look at their profiles, and you have to take in some key points. You don't just copy their profile and copy and paste. You have to just go through their profile. Then let's say things you think, yes, if I choose that one, I'm going to be qualified. I'm going to be accepted by the Upwork. I'm also going to be accepted by the client. So I have to look for some key points in other people's profile. Yes, not just other people, but successful people's profile. You have to go through and take some key points to also build your profile. Now the last point is you have to build your own portfolio. What do I mean by portfolio? Portfolio is, let's say, is a sample of your identity or sample of what you can do. As I said previously about looming a video, so you can just do a short video about yourself. But for this portfolio is about, let's say I own a website though, so I can just take a screenshot of the website. I also own a YouTube channel. Can also take a screenshot of it and I edit it, write something small and save it as PDF, and I can just send it to the client. So the client is going to open it, then he will just go through and see that yes, this and this that I do, and this that I can do. So with this, don't you think the client is going to accept you very, very, very easier? Yes, and also remember, it's going to make you outstanding among other people who have sent their proposals. Okay, so these are the 5 tips I have for you. So if you are luckily accepted by Upwork, now you have to try as much as possible to get your first job with these 5 tips. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button. Yeah, now let's watch out for the next video. Yeah, just watch out for the next video. Very, very awesome. Thank you.